instructions to boost.
Where are you going?
Speed, just having all the devices up. If the car's ready to go, I'm always ready to go.
Speed Rings.
Choo-choo, you play with Joanne. Okay, quit, Choo-choo. What is that sound? Huh?
Would you like to put a stop to your partner's snoring so you could go to sleep and stay asleep every night? Introducing Pure Sleep, the stop snoring solution. Common snoring is caused when the airway is causing the soft palate to vibrate. Pure Sleep is a patented self-molded mouthpiece.
You want to pet Choo-choo? Choo-choo, nice, Choo-choo.
Forward, opening the airway so that the
Choo-choo.
Look at the difference.
No, Choo-choo.
Pure Sleep puts us
No,
back to sleep.
you're going to push Joanne again.
Or your money back.
That is just the astounding thing. I have not snored. And so this thing works. It's easy to use, easy to mold, works like a charm.
Now we go to sleep, he falls asleep, he's not snoring, I fall asleep within 20 minutes. It's fantastic.
I'm sleeping through the night and so is he, and we're waking up with more energy. Not waking up in the middle of the night to...
Love you, Joanne.
Pure Sleep is safe and easy to
Joanne.
get for maximum comfort.
Choo-choo.
Breathing is normal.
Go get your toy, Choo-choo.
Strips are ineffective because they can't open the airway in your throat. Similar devices have been successfully prescribed.
Choo-choo.